We are learning to write sounds in the order that we hear them. I want to write the word pen. I'm going to write the sounds in the order that I hear them. Pen, pen. The first sound I hear is a P for pig, so I'm going to write that one down. Now let's listen to the second sound that we can hear. P, I, N. P, I, N. I, I. The second sound that I can hear is an E for egg, so I'm going to write that one down. Now let's listen to the last sound that we can hear. P, I, N. P, I, N. N. The last sound that I can hear is an N for nest, so I'm going to write that one down. Now let's do the sounds again and check that we've got them in the right order. P, I, N. P, I, N. Pen. Now I want to write the word cat. I'm going to write the sounds in the order that I hear them. Cat. K, A, T. K, A, T. Cat starts with a K sound. I know that that's the letter C, so I'm going to write that down. Now let's listen to the next sound. K, A, T. K, A, T. The next sound is an A sound. That's A for apple. Let's write that one down. And the last sound that I can hear, K, A, T. K, A, T. T. The last sound is a T for television, so I'm going to write that one down. Now let's check if I've written the sounds in the order that I hear them. K, A, T. K, A, T. Cat. Next I'm going to write the word pig. I'm going to write the sounds in the order that I hear them. P, I, G. P, I, G. Pig. P, P, P. Pig starts with a P, so I'm going to write that sound down. Now let's listen to the next sound that we hear. P, I, G. P, I, G. The next sound is an I, so let's write that one down. Now let's listen to the last sound that we can hear. P, I, G. P, I, G. G, G. The last sound is a G, so I'm going to write that one down. Let's check. Have we done the sounds in the order that we hear them? P, I, G. P, I, G. Pig. The last word that I want to write is the word mat. I need to write down the sounds that I hear in the order that I hear them. Let's listen to the sound at the start of the word mat. At. At. At the start of mat, I can hear the sound for M. Now let's listen to the next sound that we hear. At. At. The next sound that I can hear is an A for apple. And listen to the last sound that you can hear. At. At. T, t. The last sound that I can hear is a T, so I'm going to write that down. Now let's check. Have I written down the sounds in the order that I hear them? At. At. Mat. Yes, all my sounds are in the order that I hear them. Today in your writing, see if you can write down the sounds that you hear in a word and write them in the order that you hear them.